क्या आप भी किसी अपने सपने मेरे तुम्हारे टीम 11 पे टीम बना रहे हो और बच्चों के साथ खेल रहे हो? हमारे साथ खेलोगे? हाउस पे खेलो लेजेंड्स के साथ, हमें हरा और जीतो डबल कैश. Log on to houseit.com and win real cash.
So here's our captain. What an absolutely unbelievable series and an unbelievable result for India. You know, since the start of COVID, this country has suffered a lot. And to be able to see 1.3 billion people smiling was such a great joy for each one of us. And the man who actually made that joy possible, leading from the front with that Melbourne 100 and the way he led the side, after 36 all out, no credit is enough for you, Ajinkya Rahane. Did you actually believe you could do it?
As a team, yes, we had that belief, but we were not thinking about the result. What will happen or what if? We were not thinking about that. As a team, yes, we had that belief, and our intention was to play good cricket and play with good fighting spirit, just good fight on the field, and play as a team.
You know, two things came to the fore. Not to see, all of us knew leader Ajinkya Rahane is exceptionally good. We have seen you multiple test matches. Batsman Ajinkya Rahane, leader Ajinkya Rahane, both of them stepped up together for India in Melbourne. So I'm going to do this in two parts. First, 36 all out, Virat coming back, you are stepping in. How tough was that point to sort of change the morale, boost the boys, instill self-belief that we can still do it?
Yeah, I mean, after Adelaide Test matches, especially after 36 all out, because I remember game actually finished in that 1 hour.
Yeah.
On third day, and we didn't know how to react, and we were like, "What is happening?" And we had to accept what happened on that third day. And it's easy to say move on, but yeah, in my mind, I was like, if we discuss about the Test match, I don't want players to go into that negative mindset and unnecessarily doubt themselves. Then what we decided that we are not going to talk about Adelaide Test match, especially about that inning. Because if you see, if you take that inning out, second innings out, we actually played good cricket.
Yeah.
We batted well in first innings, we bowled well in first innings, we won more sessions than Australians. But because of that 1 hour, we lost the game. And we had to actually accept those things and move on. Then we decided that we are not going to think about that inning. We are not going to discuss anything about Adelaide Test match. Only thing we discussed about Adelaide Test match was we played good cricket in first innings. First 2 days were really good for us. Just let's take those positives into the next game and let's be together. Let's support each other, let's back each other, and let's play as a team. So that was actually we decided when we went to Melbourne.
And now if I actually sort of go to Melbourne, I mean, that innings, Ajju, you've scored 100 at Lords, which according to me was exceptional. But I still rate the Melbourne 100 higher, and I'll tell you because 36 all out, people were saying whitewash and 4-0, and the 4-0 brigade came in. Australia, you as leader. If you add all of these, Lords was batsman Ajinkya Rahane playing exceptionally good cricket. But here, you had so much more to address. So would you say that innings is a defining moment, obviously in Indian cricket history, but also your career?
I think so. For me, I mean, whenever I get runs and when we win, I think for me that is something really special. And winning a test match or winning a series is the priority for me rather than my own achievement. But yes, I think Melbourne Test match, Melbourne Test 100 was really special. I said in Melbourne that my Lord's 100 was special, but many people told me that I think Melbourne 100 was better than my Lord's 100. And I didn't know how to react on that, but now I realize that, I mean, given that circumstances after Adelaide Test match, Melbourne Test was really crucial for the series. And yes, I thought that Melbourne inning was really special.
I think so too, Ajinkya, because, you know, when you got Lords, you weren't the Ajinkya Rahane of now. You are a top guy. Everyone looks up. You're captain of India at that point in Melbourne. So if you did not score, maybe who knows what would have happened. So all of these things taken together, I think that 100 is, and I've seen practically all of yours, I think that is the most important innings you've played. But tell me, when you went out to bat, give me a little bit about that 100. That was an exceptional innings. Talk to me about it.
I mean, I wanted to enjoy that feeling, enjoy that moment, enjoy that pressure, rather than think too much about myself or what if take too much of pressure. I told myself I'm going to enjoy myself as a batsman. Whenever I'm batting, I'm not the captain. I'm there as a batsman, and I want to contribute for my country. I want to do well for my country. So take one ball at a time, one session at a time, and look to build partnerships, small partnerships, 10, 15 runs partnership, and then eventually you get a big partnership. So it was all about, I think, being in that moment for me. I was in the zone, and I was actually feeling that I was in my zone. I was enjoying each and every moment, enjoying each and every ball. That pressure situations, I was enjoying it, and my focus was just to do well for my country, not to think about on my for my own achievements or my own scores. Just intention was to do well for my country, and how can I take my team to a better position, a winning position. So that was I was thinking, and I thought being in that moment, being in that present moment, really helped me a lot in Melbourne.
The other thing that stood out for me when you got out, when you got run out, I mean, you tapped Ravindra Jadeja and you walked away. I mean, that is sportsmanship at its best for me. I mean, all of a sudden you ceased from being you became batsman to leader. You tell your player and you walked away. It was so good to see. Tell me about it. I mean, you didn't react. You didn't say a word. All you did was encouraged him and walked away. Tell me.
I mean, initially I thought I was in, and but then
Yeah,
I
because you
saw,
nodded.
yeah, and when I saw it on the big screen, I was not in, and then I saw Jadeja's reaction, and he was completely upset. He was looking down, and he was, because we knew that that partnership was going really well for us, and I saw him, and I thought, even if I'm out, we need Jadeja to bat well there. Yes, uh, sometimes I mean mistakes happens on the field, misunderstanding happens on the field, but that's fine. That's part and parcel of the game. But we need Jadeja as a batsman to contribute for us in that situation. So I mean, I told him that don't worry about it. I mean, whatever happened is gone now. That's fine. Don't think too much about it. Just you focus on how can you contribute more for our team and get our team to a big total. So it was all about that. I mean, for me, I think putting our team first, putting our team situation first was key, and I mean that's what we did exactly. And after that, after I got out, Jadeja did that for us.
It was so good to see. And, after the test match, Saurav Ganguly tweeted that good things, good guys come first. And it was so good to see because, and we talk about God, you finished off that game with the winning run. It was such a fabulous thing. Ajinkya, did you do anything special in that game when you prepared? Did you watch something? I'm told you did, but you have to tell me.
Yes, I did. I mean, I saw Sachin's innings when Sachin got 100 at MCG when he was a captain.
99.
I remember, I think he got 116,
16,
116 in that game. I was watching his inning, almost was 10 times previous night and day of the game, morning of the game, around 6, 7 times watched his inning. And just, I mean, he and Dravid, they both are my role models. So I mean, I mean, I don't know how to say now, but yeah.
I'll tell you something. I didn't want to say it. You said it. That 100 and your 100. In India, we celebrate this word called parampara. And that generation to this generation, a legend there, a legend in making here, captain. It sort of makes it a circle. So well done to both of you.
Thank you.
This is what Indian cricket is about. It is about respect. It is about, aspiring to greatness, which you've done. Now, if I move on to Sydney, Ajinkya, Virat's not there. You've lost Shami, and all of a sudden you've lost Jadeja as well. You have lost Hanuma. And
lost Umesh.
You've lost Umesh. Absolutely, you've lost Umesh. And you're in the last day of the test match. How do you tell your boys that you can still save it?
So, as I said, our motive was to fight till the end. We fought well in Melbourne before Sydney Test match, and we got the result. We played really well in Sydney. On the 5th day, we decided that we are going to take one session at a time. Let's not think about the result. Let's not look at the scoreboard. Let's play one session at a time. Let's play normal cricket, simple cricket, and then we'll assess after tea what the situation is. So again, I think keeping our cricket really simple helped us a lot. I think partnerships. We were talking about partnerships. We were talking about, I think, helping our team win or take our team to a good total, and giving each and every individual that freedom to play their game, not to copy anyone, play their game, back their own style. And that's how I feel that everyone could actually express themselves and play their game.
And that last day, Ashwin standing for 3 hours before going out to bat because of the back spasm, Jadeja glove or wearing the gloves because of a broken finger, still ready to go out and bat, Hanuma Vihari batting with a hamstring tear. Unbelievable. As captain, you must be immensely proud of these boys.
Yes, I was really proud. Ashwin was actually struggling on that day. The way he batted, that courage, Hanuma again, unfortunately had his hamstring thing, but the way he stood out was really special. I thought his inning was really special. Jadeja was he was willing to bat. He took an injection and he was ready. So I thought you need courage for that. And I think because of as I said, guys were willing to do anything. They were free. There was no pressure at all, and it was all about team. So really happy for all of them. I mean, Ashwin especially. Ashwin's record, as a batsman, is really good. I mean, 400s in Test cricket. So I thought he batted really well.
And before I move on to Brisbane, the one fellow who actually sort of made that Test match his own almost was Rishabh with that amazing second innings. No?
Yeah.
Your thoughts?
Yes, I mean, he was really good. Yes, he was disappointed not to finish that game shot which he played, but I thought he played fearlessly. Intention was to send him up, was to take the game forward. And we know if he's there, he'll just keep scoring runs. And the way he batted was really magnificent.
Now to Brisbane, to sort of get in Washington Sundar from nowhere. Now, as captain, that was a huge call. He was replacing a Ravichandran Ashwin, almost our bowler of the series in a way. So first, that captaincy call, how did you take that? Not in the squad, get him in. Massive call. Again, you've lost people. So here you go with a bowling attack which has 4 tests between them. Thoughts about it?
Yeah, I mean, first, when Jadeja got injured in Sydney, then we had to include Washington. We were not sure about Ashwin that time, if he'll play in Brisbane or not. We had to include Washington in our 15. It was, I think it was a really tough call because Kuldeep was there as a spinner and he deserved to play. But then we had to see our combination. What is our best combination on that given day for a test match? And Washington came in because of his batting. And I was thinking about playing 5 bowlers, so he could actually give us that bowling option as well. And his batting ability. We know he's a very good batsman and he proved that. So Washington's inclusion came because he could actually bat and we can use him as a bowler. And we wanted to go with five proper bowlers because I believe in that theory that if you want to win the test match, you have to take 20 wickets. As a batting unit, even if you score 275, 300, that's fine out of India. Because no one is actually looking to score 450, 500. Even if you get 300, 275, 300 plus runs on outside India, you have the bowling attack who will actually take 20 wickets. And that was the intention.
I've got quite a few more on Brisbane, but before that, you mentioned Kuldeep Yadav. Again, something that stood out for me was BCCI put out that video where you are talking after the match and you singled out Kuldeep Yadav and spoke to him. Fantastic, Ajinkya. Fantastic. I mean, I commend you for that. I mean, I commend you rather for that gesture as a captain. Tell me about it, because obviously he must have been disappointed, but that's what leadership is about. Why did you say when you said, and did it come spontaneously?
Because I know how it feels, and I went through that situation. I've been through that situation. Before making my debut in Test cricket,
17 test matches.
17, 18 Test matches, 2 years, I was just outside and I was waiting for my chances, and I know how it feels. And you go to see, I believe that each and every member of your team is really capable of winning a Test match for you, and you got to back them. You have to back them. Unfortunately, as I said, Kuldeep deserved to play, but because of our injury thing and team combination, we couldn't, and we had to play Washington Sundar. So I know Kuldeep's role in our team is really crucial, and he will play a big part in future as well. So I think giving that confidence to a player, I always believe in that, and because of that, because I've been through that situation, I know how it feels. So for me, each and every member of the team matters a lot, and it really, for me, giving them that confidence and boosting their confidence and their ability is really important, because we are playing in India now. We know Kuldeep's role in India is really crucial. He's a match winner. When I was a captain first time against Australia in India, I mean, he bowled really well. Because of his 4 wickets in first innings,
Yeah.
we actually came back in the game and won the Test match and series. So yeah,
Fantastic gesture, I got to say, because when I heard it and you picked him and you picked Karthik Tyagi, I was like, wow, this is really good. Now to the two boys. I mean, Mohammad Siraj and Shardul Thakur coming from nowhere, bowling against an Australian attack. When you all gave Mohammad Siraj the flag and he was walking with the team behind him, what more do you want? Somebody who's lost his father coming back 5 wicket haul. That's your India.
absolutely. I mean, I was really happy for them. Siraj, especially what he went through during the series, at start of the series, he lost his father, but he was mentally tough. He wanted to be there for the team, and I think he worked really hard for that. Each and every next session, he was working really hard on his bowling, on his fitness, everything. But I thought the way he bowled was really good. I mean, I know his domestic, his first class career. He played a lot of India A cricket. He had that experience. So I mean, I think all credit to him. The way he managed himself, the way he bowled, the way he conducted himself, all credit to him. Again, about Shardul also made his debut in India against West Indies.
no.
Got injured
Injured.
during the Test match, and now coming back in that crucial Test match. And the way he bowled and bat, I think especially about his batting, the way he batted with Washington Sundar, that took game away from them.
That cover drive, you would be proud of it.
Yeah, I think yes, everyone was really proud. I thought more than cover drive, I was happy for his hook shot. The first hook
Correct.
shot which he played.
6, yeah.
Yeah, as a bowler, I mean, we all were really proud.
Now to that man, he deserves every bit of praise coming his way. Even I had said, after the first innings at Sydney, that maybe a little more game awareness, intent, etc., but not often can you do some things that even the opposition is bowling well. But Cheteshwar Pujara, 25 blows on the body. Oh man, that's quite incredible.
I mean, that shows what he made of. I mean, he was so focused, he was so determined to do well for us. He was upset when he got out in Melbourne, Adelaide and Melbourne. First, those 4 innings, he was upset, and he was working really hard on his batting. But the way he batted in Sydney and Brisbane was really good. I mean, I could see that determination in his eyes, willing to be there, willing to get hit on his body. He was not thinking about runs, and that's his game. And we all back him for that. That's his game, and you need that kind of a character in your team to actually be there and play that kind of cricket, so that everyone actually can play around him. And yeah, he was really good for us.
My time is running out, Ajinkya. So last two before I let you go. I've promised you I won't take more time. You've got to spend some time with family. So last two, one, Rishabh Pant and Washington Sundar all of a sudden after Shubman and Cheteshwar. First, your innings, that little cameo, which I thought was very important, dancing down the track to Lion 6,
Yeah.
and then a couple more shots, set it up that we wanted to win. I thought your innings meant that. And then that final partnership. Talk to me about it.
Yeah, so when Shubman and Pujara, they were batting, Shubman was looking for runs. When he got out, I thought I better carry on that momentum for us. And Pujara is batting on his own. So I told Pujara that you just carry on, whatever you like, just play your game, don't worry about anything. I'll look to play positive cricket. I'll go for runs. If I can get 30, 40 quick runs here, we have a game in hand. And the focus was all about if we want to chase 140, 150 runs in 38 overs after tea, then we have a game in hand. So I decided that I'm going to be positive, play with intent, look for runs. And when I got out and when Rishabh was walking in, I saw only 18 or 20 minutes left for the tea. I told him, just take your time till tea, 18, 20 minutes, play normal cricket. After tea, play your game. Whatever you feel like, play your game. If you feel like going for it, go for it. Don't doubt yourself. And I thought he was really good. Him first, and then Washington Sundar. They both played with that intent. They both were going for the game, going for the match, and that's what you need. Playing that fearless cricket from your teammates, no fear of failures at all. And yeah, it was so good to see.
Last one, signing a jersey for Nathan Lyon, standing up to racism, and saying to the umpires that I don't want to take the team out because we are here to play cricket, but you take action. Coming back to India and not cutting a kangaroo cake, etc. You've sort of, elevated yourself as leader. So I've got to say that. I mean, fantastic. And I'm very proud of you. Now looking forward, you're in the moment, Virat coming back, again, that partnership, him captain, you vice captain. How much are you looking forward to the England series? Yes, the World Test Championship is on the line. Tell me, because you guys are in the present. I mean, now the Australia series is a degree past. Yeah. While we keep celebrating you, now the England series is coming. Joe Root 200s in 2 tests in Sri Lanka. Your thoughts on the England series?
Yeah, so firstly, we thought we should give Nathan Lyon something, so a signed jersey from each and every one. I thought playing 100 test match is really special, especially in Australia as a spinner. I mean, wherever you are, whichever country you are representing, I think playing 100 test match is really special. So that's why we did that. We had to celebrate his achievement. And after that, obviously, what happened in Sydney was really sad with Siraj and a couple of others. But we had to take the stand. Yes, I said that we are not going out. We will stay on the field. We are here to play cricket. At the same time, we respect our players. So if you can actually take those guys out, which they used bad language, if you guys take them out, we are here and then we'll start the game, because we don't want it to lose that momentum.
Sure.
At the same time, we respect our players, and I'm always there for my players. So you make sure that those guys are out. About what you asked?
I said Virat coming back, England series.
Yeah. So yeah, now what happened in Australia is past now. I mean, it's all about being in that moment. Virat is the captain. So again, it's back to basics. As I said, yes, what we did in Australia is really special, but that is gone now. It's all about how can we do better and better and play as a unit again.
Ajinkya, I mean, there are certain things that, yes, you will move on, you will score more hundreds, you will accomplish more, but certain things have an aftertaste. This victory has an aftertaste. I mean, I have watched quite a lot of cricket, but this is something that will never leave me. And you with that trophy and then handing it over to Natarajan, which is now a tradition. Virat handed it over to KS Bharat after one of the wins. So you guys have now started this tradition. So there is this lovely senior-junior bond in the dressing room. That for me is excellent for Indian cricket. So I will say more power, more strength, more hundreds, more success, more joy, but remain the way you are.
Thank you.
You've elevated Indian cricket and you've elevated yourself. Brilliant. Well done. Many congratulations.
Thank you, Bodhara. Thank you.